Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is another video all about holiday hairstyle ideas, and for this one I figured I would give you some holiday statement hairstyles. Since the last video I took a trip to TJ Maxx and I actually found some really cute ribbon, and for me what makes some of the hairstyles so festive and looking like Christmas hairstyles is that the ribbon is, or the hair accessories are either red or green, or just they scream Christmas at you. So I think that the key to holiday hairstyles is obviously the hairstyle, making it look good, and then I love throwing accessories on it. So I mean red ribbon, green ribbon, curly ribbon, plaid ribbon, everything ribbon, Christmas themed. I think that's what really makes a hairstyle. So if you could find around the house some of those ribbons for wrapping presents, you could definitely incorporate those. A lot of these hairstyles that we'll be doing in this video are really easy to do. It's mostly curled hair and then putting it into a low ponytail towards the back of your head, or just having your hair down. And what the fun thing about it is, what makes it a holiday hairstyle for me is the ribbons and accessories that we put in it. So it really is all about the accessories, which makes this video more of a holiday statement hairstyle. Besides your normal hairspray for your hair, I'm going to be going over the ribbon that I'm going to be using in some of the hairstyles, since these hairstyles are literally all about the accessories. So this one and this one I found at TJ Maxx just this week. I've been actually looking for red ribbon in this material. It's adorable, and I found two of them, one in red, one in green. And then last year sometime I found this one also at TJ Maxx. So I think these three are really cute for hairstyles. They just look so Christmassy. And at Target there was a 2-pack of this really curly ribbon, obviously for gifts, but I'm going to throw it on my hair. And besides all those ribbons, I will be using these bun pins, these pearl bun pins from Pink Pewter. I'll just be sticking them into little curves of a hairstyle, so that will be really cute. So for this first hairstyle, I'll be pulling my hair back into a low ponytail towards the nape of my neck here, and then I'm going to be wrapping this red ribbon around the elastic several times. So how I'm going to wrap the red ribbon around, I'm going to just grab a bobby pin. I'm going to just put this red ribbon through, and I'm going to hide this underneath the ponytail and then begin wrapping it around. So for this second hairstyle, we're going to keep our hair in this low ponytail here, and we're going to wrap this around the ponytail instead of a red ribbon. So again, these hairstyles could be with a middle part like I have, or a deep part, or a little off to the center, whatever part is best for your hair. But I do like keeping these out, so it works well for me with this middle part. In order to get this to secure to the back, what I'll be doing is grabbing a bobby pin and just inserting the ribbon through it, and then I'll be gliding it into my hair, and then I'll have another bobby pin on the other side where I'll be able to secure it for the end part. So for this third hairstyle, it's going to be the last one where we keep our hair in this middle parted low ponytail. I'm gonna go in with the green ribbon this time. So instead of this hairstyle having just the ribbon in the back, this one's gonna start out in the front. So I have a really long green ribbon here, and I'm going to make sure it's even so that I start out in the middle right here. And I'm just going to start out with wrapping the middle, right on top of my head like this, and you're gonna wrap it underneath the ponytail. So I'm gonna go in and just cross them. And then now that they are here, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them around the ponytail and into a bow. If you are using ribbon that has a good side or a pretty side and a not good side, you do want to be very aware of the way that you are tying the ribbon so that you're using the best part of the ribbon. So for this next hairstyle, I'm going to change up the part. Instead of a middle part, I will be doing a deeper side part. It doesn't have to be super deep, just so that this ribbon is able to rest cutely wherever you do part it. Okay, so there's two ways you could possibly do this. One is, I would suggest going in there first with a pin, pinning it, and then placing this pin right on top there. And you could do a little cross with the bobby pin, and then adjust the ribbons accordingly. And there you have a little festive little hair part here, which is really cute. I think the darker undertone of this color helps it not to be extremely obnoxious on the side of your head. Or you can go in and just place it simply on top of the part right above. So rather than swooping this section of hair and pinning it back, we're just going to simply place it on top. But to be able to secure it there, I do suggest also putting another bobby pin underneath that area that you're going to attach it to, so that way they're able to cross and secure. There you have another cute, festive statement hairstyle. So for this last hairstyle, you can either keep your hair parted in a deep part, whatever part, or you can also just have it parted down the middle. And we're going to be doing another low ponytail, but instead of just having it kind of pulled back, we're going to have it kind of like a French twisted ponytail. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked these holiday statement hairstyles that we created. I hope you could see all the accessories you could do with ribbon, or of course cute little hair accessories. Let me know what you guys think, and I will make sure to link some of the products I use, like this pink pewter pearl bun pin, in the comments, in the description. Let me know which was your favorite hairstyle out of all 5 of these. And thank you guys so much for watching.